Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two digital learning platform, which is Nook and Boring Notch. So let's quickly dive into it. Nook is a polished Mac utility that transforms the Notch into a mini productivity hub with widget, media control, and app shortcut. It even works on Macs without a notch, making it a versatile and a user-friendly. The trade-off is that it's paid and a bit heavier than minimalist tools, so that everyone will need its features. Boring Notch, on the other hand, is a lightweight and a free option that focuses on simple media control, basic animation, and a low resource use. It's perfect for anyone who wants no free solution without paying a dime. However, it lacks the richer widget customization and update that Notchbook delivers. So in short, Notchbook is the best for power users, while Boring Notch is ideal for minimalists. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.